Here we go. So we have their grandma slice. Oh! So let's give it a try. Extra good. Hey guys, we're in Miami. We're going to visit a bunch of businesses today that were all founded in the 1950s, including a pizzeria and a hot dog joint. Extra good. We're at Frankie's Pizza on Bird Road at Southwest 92nd Avenue in Miami, and they're known for their grandma pies. They've been in business since 1955, founded by Frank Pascarella, and he's using his mom's recipe, Sicilian recipe, for his pies. We're gonna go inside, check out their pies, get a slice, and talk to the second generation owner, Roxanne. On Mondays, is that something like that your dad started years ago?
Yes, 65 years ago next March.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Technically back in the day, back in the 50s, 1955, Monday was slow. And back then to go out to get anything to eat was a treat because moms were at home, cooked. So that was like a treat. So that was like, you know, the family got together and, you know, it was something special. So as, you know, as time has progressed, a lot of our customers pick it up half-baked. A lot of our customers have migrated all around the country. So
how, like, what's the furthest you've shipped, you think?
Hawaii, Alaska.
Wow. Their half-baked pizza are definitely really popular. People can bring them home, freeze them, and then heat it up fresh for dinner in the oven or even cook them on the grill. This is their 8-slice pepperoni half-baked. And even if you're not in Miami, you can order a 24-slice pepperoni pizza 3-pack for $99 with free shipping, or even a 6-pack 48-slice pizza for $159 with free shipping. For every order of a large pie, you get a free slice for your car ride home. That was something that founder Frank started years ago when delivery was not an option. We have their grandma slice, and we got a half baked, so we can bring it home and enjoy it. Okay, so we're gonna try the Frankie's pizza slice. Here we go. No, Hudson, not yet. Extra good. You can see Hudson taking a slice for himself in our East Village Street Food and Punk NYC video. Check out the link above. We always save at least the pizza crust for Hudson too. He loves pizza. On Bird Road, just across the way from Frankie's Pizza, opened in 1956 and was home of the best bowling leagues in the South, including a scratch women's league that featured 3 future members of the Women's International Bowling Congress's Hall of Fame. The 60-lane bowling alley, of course, has been updated with automatic scoring, a billiard room with 12 billiard tables, a lounge area serving drinks, and a restaurant serving pizza and other snacks. There's even a state-of-the-art arcade game room. We're at Arbitter's, which was founded by Robert Bob Arbetter in 1959, right here on Bird Road, and it was founded by Bob after a lifelong dream of opening his own hot dog stand after always going with his dad to the famous Joe and Nemo's after a game at Fenway in Massachusetts. So we're going to go inside and check out their all-around hot dog and get one, and of course for Hudson too. Arbetters is well known for its chili dogs. The recipe for their chili is from the founder's wife, who turned a recipe for her Sunday gravy that her parents brought with them from Italy into her own chili, which she made fresh every morning in the kitchen of her home and brought by bus to the hot dog stand. That's dedication. David and Jill Arbetter, the second-generation owners, still use that same chili recipe today, which is best described as hearty and meaty with a blend of spices that are slow cooked for hours. You can see it cooking away.
Mustard onion chili with too much ketchup.
They also serve another popular street food option, corn dogs, which lots of people were ordering when we were there. They look really good. They even offer free refills on your drink when you say, "I love Larry Bird" or Bob Cousy. Arbetter's pork and beef hot dogs are boiled and steamed, but you can also order an all-beef soubrette hot dog, which instead of being steamed, are cooked on the grill and have a stronger, smokier flavor. All right, here we go. We got the all-around and fries, and Hudson's gonna get a treat too from Michael. So come on, good boy Hudson, you gotta wait and sit and give paw. Okay, hot dog. A whole hot dog. Oh my God, you gotta chew it though.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
You guys have a good
Thank you
one.
so much. Okay, sit. So this is their all-American boiled hot dog, and then some onions and relish. So let's give it a try. Hudson, no, you had your own hot dog. Extra good. Hey guys, what a great day we had in South Miami, having iconic American street food, including pizza, hot dogs, and French fries, extra good, and even checking out another spot founded in the 1950s, a huge bowling alley. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and give it a thumbs up and share our video if you liked it. You may also enjoy watching our other Miami and New York City food tour videos.
Bye guys!
Bye guys!